What's up, guys? I'm going to show y'all how to build a cheap jet ski stand. This works great if you want to just bring your jet ski inside your garage without the trailer, or if you want to work on it and get it a little bit lower than the trailer. So basically I'm just going to use these little mover dollies I got from Harbor Freight for I think like $8 a piece. Some 2x4s, picked up some screws and L brackets from Grainger. Yep. And I went by a local carpet store, kind of told them what I was doing, told them I was looking for some cheap carpet, and they sold me a pretty good amount for $5. So I was happy with that. So I already took measurements from the trailer, which is out there, and now I just want to pretty much mimic what's out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut up and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we have the wood cut, and I think this is how I'm gonna do the brackets. I'm gonna have to come back through and cut the brackets a little shorter there and right here, and I'm gonna screw from the bottom into the wood, so it'll have reinforcements holding it from pretty much every direction. Alright, we got it all tacked down. Now we're going to flip it over and put some screws in from the bottom, maybe even a support. Before I moved any further, I went ahead and cut off the little end pieces on everything. So we got a jet ski on our stand, and it's holding pretty good. It's actually rolling really good. I was able to push it over this little hump right here. It rolls. Alright guys, bonus feature. We're going to see if we can roll this underneath there and be able to jack it up and get some more, you know, leverage going up and down.